that's kind of gone sideways lately. So it's time to come back to basics. Free speech in this country means if the government hates your viewpoint, too bad, so sad for them. They cannot prevent you from saying what's on your mind. Period, end of story. And there should be no consequences for you saying what's on your mind in that instance. So let me give a very interesting example from this week. So the president was slammed over some statements he made, basically saying he's not sure about the First Amendment. So he was talking about a decades-long peace vigil protest that he had removed from near the White House. And he was bragging that it was gone the next day after he found out about it. And he claimed that the protester was part of a violent radical left group. Okay, point me to the violence that they committed, but none? Okay. So the reporter who was listening to this during the press conference said, well, they still have a First Amendment right, though. They're still out there protesting. And the president responds, yeah, well, I'm not so sure about that. Excuse me? And Attorney General Pam Bondi, in a separate interview, basically doubled down and also said that there's limits on First Amendment rights, saying that law enforcement would go after hate speech. She said, we will absolutely target you, go after you if you are targeting anyone with hate speech. Okay, well, on its surface, it sounds reasonable, right? Oh, yes, we can't have hateful speech in our political discourse or within our country and all of that. Who makes a definition of hate speech? And does that definition shift based on who's in power? Because that's a problem. Free speech, period, end of story. If the government does not agree with you posting about somebody's murder, or if they don't agree about you posting your issues about the current administration, they should not go after you. They cannot go after you. It is contrary to the First Amendment. So if you are fired from your job at a public institution as a result of something you said, that is grounds for a lawsuit. Because the government shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or of the press.